There's something pure about a screaming two-stroke ripping around a motocross track. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 keeps that legendary thrill alive while bringing refined updates to the table. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're looking at Yamaha's iconic lightweight motocross machine, the 2026 YZ125. Let's see why this two-stroke continues to earn respect on tracks worldwide. Design. Starting with design, the YZ125 maintains Yamaha's aggressive, race-ready styling. The slim bodywork allows excellent rider movement, while the lightweight aluminum frame keeps things agile. Updated graphics give it a fresh appearance, but underneath, it's still the focused, no-nonsense machine riders love. Performance. At the heart is a punchy 125cc two-stroke engine that delivers exhilarating high-revving power. The power band rewards skilled throttle control, making it an incredible tool for developing riding technique. The lightweight chassis darts through corners effortlessly, while the fully adjustable KYB suspension handles jumps, bumps, and rough terrain with impressive precision. This bike teaches you to ride fast. Features and technology. While staying true to its mechanical roots, the YZ125 includes refinements like improved reed valve assembly for crisper response and updated ergonomics for better control. It's about perfecting the essentials rather than adding unnecessary complexity. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves two-strokes are far from dead. It's pure, raw, and incredibly rewarding for those who master it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Catch you next time!